In SMM, do you do everything? The content, copy, ads, and engagement? Hi, my name is Mary and everyday nagpo-post ako ng bagong video so pwede nyo sundan na some sort of roadmap kung gusto nyo na maging freelancer, virtual assistant, or gusto nyo na mag-work from home gamit ng computer at internet. First, pag-usapan natin. Kasi when you say SMM, it could mean social media manager or social media marketer. I-dissect natin ano nga ba yung difference nung dalawa, but one thing is for sure. Ads should not be included. Although it's part of the process if you're doing digital marketing, but it's a totally separate role. What exactly is the difference between a social media manager and a social media marketer? Yung social media manager, they take care of the day-to-day management of the social media accounts of the company. They are responsible for creating and curating social media contents, scheduling posts, engaging with the audience. When I say engaging, so responding to comments, messages, or all, maintaining social media presence. Madalas mas hands-on, mas operational role ang social media managers to make sure that the social media accounts of the company are running smoothly. So, lalo na sa malalaking kumpanya where you guys would get probably about 50 to 100 messages every single day, kailangan meron talaga nakabantay and make sure na na-replyan lahat at na-address lahat ng questions via social media accounts. On the other hand, social media marketers naman are more focused on the strategic aspect of the social media marketing. So development, implementation ng lahat ng comprehensive social media strategies para ma-achieve yung business goals. So whether it's increasing brand awareness, driving traffic to the website, generating leads, or boosting sales. Mga ganon. A lot of times, yung mga social media marketers are also responsible for analyzing data and metrics para ma-sure na effective ba yung current campaigns. Ganyan. And based on the data that they gather, make a decision kung ano yung mga kailangang i-optimize dun sa assets or sa performance ng mga accounts na yun. In terms of content creation, magkaiba ang social media manager at ang social media marketer. So si social media manager, sila nag-create ng contents. So you should know how to do content creation, a little bit of graphics design, copywriting to make sure na effective yung content and engaging yung pinopost nyo. While social media marketers may also create contents for the client or for the company, the primary focus is yung pinakang behind the scene or yung strategy behind each contents. So you will advise yung company, yung client, and even the social media managers kung ano yung type of content na i-create, kailan ipopost, ano yung best time to post, how to promote it, how to achieve yung specific marketing objectives ng company. Now, in terms of audience engagement, yung pag-reply sa comments, ganyan, syempre yung social media managers are the one responsible for direct engagement. So pakikipag-usap sa comment section, sa messages, ganyan. Anong pangganap na magpapatakbo ka ng contest, yung mga promotions na i-blast ninyo sa mga social media accounts ninyo, social media managers ang nagpapaganap nun. Pero, yung atake, yung pinakang engagement tactic yan, ang nagagawa niyan, or usually, the person that comes up with these ideas on how to gain more traction sa social media accounts are the social media marketers. Kasi sila yung mas familiar sa marketing strategies na ginagawa or currently ni-implement ng company. When it comes to analytics and reporting naman, which is also part of social media marketing and management, ang pinakang ginagawa ng social media managers is sila yung typical monitoring ng basic metrics. So, syempre, kailangan alam pa rin nila kung ano yung engagement rate, follower growth, gano'n na ba karami yung likes nito mga post na to, and what's working well, what works best, and what's not working para sa mga ginagawa mo. And then, when you meet with the client, with the company, with the social media marketer, you'd be able to give them inputs. Ano ba yung nangyayari sa bilang front-facing ka? Meanwhile, the marketers naman dive into the analytics and reporting. Sila yung pinakang nagtatrack ng key performance indicators or KPIs. Familiar naman yung, lalo na pag may constant experience, kala nyo may KPIs tayo. So yung key performance indicators, ito naman yung pinakang tied to the business objectives, and the social media marketers are responsible for tracking that. Kumbaga, while both roles are essential in social media management and marketing team, social media managers are more on the front-facing day-to-day operations ng social media channels, whereas yung social media marketers naman have yung more strategic role or nasa back-end sila yung nag-a-analyze, sila yung pinaka-nag-iisip na magandang design, execution, comprehensive marketing strategies used by social media marketers or managers and the company itself as part of a key component yung pinaka-strategy nila. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home, follow from or work from home chismis. Bye!